Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use scrape better to make a moving object smoothly. So go to open the CapCut apps and select new project. Select your photos or video that you like to edit. For example, I'm going to add text. Select add text. Enter your text. And I'm going to make it low. So previously I set it glow. I set it the opacity. So just for the duration it's a line. And select keyframe button, and then in the end of the clip add the keyframe again, and you can move the text. Check mark, and here we go. Alright, select grapes and select a template you like. For example, check mark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.